Hey, thank you for joining me second part of my hitchhiking experience from Puebla to Cancun. You will see today how we get from Oaxaca city to San Jose del Pacifico, which is on the mountain located. It's so beautiful. You will see all our experience, all the great people we met. Enjoy.
In Mexico, there are many occasions to celebrate a fiesta, among them the Revolution Day. On the 20th of November 1910, Francisco Madero, a large landowner and supporter of the liberal and democratic development, called for an uprising. It started a civil war that would change the social and political structure of Mexico forever.
So we're gonna see a pyramid here and we are prepared to go camping. We want to sleep in the mountains tonight in the area of hierve and agua. So
Cordon bleu! Cordon bleu!
we're still looking for the pyramids and for cordon bleu.
Cordon bleu!
So that's my first pyramid in my life. Let's check it out.
Mitla is an archaeological site famous for its unique mural ornamentation. The site was built between 200 and 900 AD. In the hall of the column, which once had a roof, were underground sandstones found, with cross-like symbols, probably due to the influence of the Spanish after the 5th century. Sacrifices were made in the designated area. Mainly animal bones were found. Below are narrow, clean stones. Above are larger stones with an obvious, rougher construction. The lower part must have been built by a more advanced civilization.
So we just left the pyramid. There are not that many cars here on the road, so let's see. Ok, listo. Jaime has dropped us here on the street, so that's the way we have to go. But there are not that many cars here. Maybe there will come some, hopefully. Fingers crossed for that.
Bon appetit!
Chicken guy took us. So that's his number plate. Safety reason. Yeah, we're coming! Gracias! Christine, where did you get the bread from?
From Norberta.
There just came an old lady and she brought us some bread because she was sitting here. And yeah, now we have rice and bread. I'm not sure which way it is. That's the view. And that's my dog Fuzzy. So we're still in the area of hierve del agua and we're trying to find a camping spot. So we have different options. There on the edge. How does that look? In the cactus land. Or over there. Let's see what we want to take. I'm hesitating. We found our camping spot for tonight. I mean, we already slept. The sun is going up. Oh, trying to hitchhike to get back to Oaxaca.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful here. That's just one thing. No cars.
No cars. But who matters? We should have gone earlier.
There's a car, but it's the wrong direction.
After waiting 45 minutes, the first and probably only car of the day came along. Two very nice Belgians were on a tour to learn more about the national drink Mezcal. By the chance, their guide wanted to show them different agave plants in the region, such as the maguey, from which the spirit is made. They kindly took us with them, and we were now allowed to learn more about the production and process. The agave is harvested by cutting the other leaves. The middle part is called piñas. Those get roasted for several days in an underground pit covered with hot stones and straw. The long roasting time gives the mezcal a smoky flavor. The resulting juice in the casing ferments for about 4 weeks. The juice in the piña are distilled twice for produce the final product, mezcal. In the end of the tour, we had the opportunity to taste 10 different mezcals. My favorite was the one with coffee flavor. After this great tour, we picked up our luggage from our couchsurfing hut to continue our travel to San Jose del Pacifico, which is located on the highest mountain of Oaxaca.
We got our next ride. It's the fullest car ever. Fullest car ever.
And the food bag.
Yeah, I leave it there.
We're not going to do this.
Hola! It's pretty much full, but they want to take us and it's amazing. So let's see how it works. Like the trunk, everything is completely full. We are in our next ride. It is so packed. So behind we cannot see anymore because our luggage is on top of him. What do you think where we're going?
We are going to the mountains and close to San Jose del Pacifico. We're going here and then next in the villages next to San Jose del Pacifico.
Right. Yes, and we want to check villages, so we have no idea where we're going to sleep tonight.
Oh my god.
We're trying to fit into the car with our luggage. We don't know where we sleep tonight. Maybe we can find a good place in a little village.
¿Estás mejor?
Where we can meet some local people. Are you okay?
No, está bien.
Rolling with two Luises?
Ya te vemos.
We just had a little stop to enjoy this amazing view. We just arrived in Jose del Pacifico. It's like a really small town, like just little people living here. So we got this cabin here from the people we hitchhiked with. They took us here so we can sleep here. They're gonna sleep here, and Fuzzy and me are gonna sleeping. Gonna sleep there. We're gonna sleep there. Gonna sleep there, and I don't know what that is, but it looks like the biggest grasshopper I've seen in my life. So we're checking out from our wonderful cabin. It's all view. That's San Jose del Pacifico. Look at that. Like we're in the middle of the town and we have this view. Thank you for watching my video.